Hi, I'm Tao from Sophos Support and welcome to our two-part video series covering the Sophos Transparent Authentication Suite, also known as STAS. In this first part, I will provide an overview of the basic network setup, the role of STAS, and how it works. In part 2, I will show you how to install and configure STAS. For more information on STAS, check out our recommended reads which covers environment-specific topics and in-depth troubleshooting. The link can be found in the video description. STAS enables users to automatically log into Sophos Firewall when logging into a Windows AD workstation. STAS requires software installation on AD server only, so there's no need to install any software on the workstation. First, it's important to get a clear picture of the network setup we'll be using. Here's the network we'll be demonstrating with. This includes the AD domain controller, or ADDC. The SDA agent will be installed here. If there are multiple domain controllers in your network, you will need to install the agent on all of them. Next is the Windows server. The SDA collector will be installed here. Then we have the AD workstation. And finally, we have the Sophos Firewall. Now, let's look at how STAS works. STAS consists of an agent and a collector. These components can be installed on either the same or separate servers. You can also deploy multiple agents and collectors when scaling up. In our example, we use a separate server for each STAS component. Together, the agent and the collector detect user logons in two ways. The first method of detection is logon type 2. The agent monitors ADDC for a user logon event, which is Windows Event ID 4768. When this event is detected, the agent sends the login information to the collector UDP port 5566. The collector analyzes the logon event, and if this user is a new STAS live user, it then sends to Sophos Firewall UDP port 6060. Sophos Firewall looks up the username in ADDC to retrieve the group, email address, and more details of the user. Then the user will be displayed on Sophos Firewall as a STAS live user. If a user is not detected by logon type 2, STAS will attempt logon type 1. In logon type 1, the SDA collector helps Sophos Firewall retrieve the username from the AD workstation. For example, Sophos Firewall shows no live users on a workstation, but the firewall rule requires user authentication for traffic from the workstation. In this case, Sophos Firewall sends a query to the collector at UDP port 6677, asking for the username on the workstation. The collector talks to the workstation according to the defined workstation poly method. For example, this could be WMI. The workstation replies with the username. Then the collector records the live user and sends it back to Sophos Firewall on UDP port 6060. Sophos Firewall then looks up the username in ADDC to retrieve the group, email address, and more details of the user. The user is then displayed on Sophos Firewall as an STAS live user. And that covers the basic network setup and the role of STAS. I hope you found this video useful. Let us know by giving us a thumb up on TechBits and let us know if we solved your issue. Check out the second part of this series for the STAS installation and the configuration steps. Check out the documentation for this video in the video description. For further assistance, view and post questions on community.sophos.com and go to techbits.sophos.com for more great videos like this one. Thank you for watching.